Hello, we look at SSSCE July 2003. Objective question 1. It says that list all the numbers of the sets S is such that x is greater than -4 but less than or equal to 2, where x is an integer. Before we start, if today is your first time on my students class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing, click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. So this is the set x is such that greater than -4 but less than or equal to 2. So there is something very simple. So s is such that if x is greater than -4, then s is starting from -3 and going all that way to the number 2, because x will be less than or equal to 2. So if you look at the options here, this is starting from -3 and then 2. I think that is the only thing here, so the option should be A if you want to. So that is the correct answer, yeah, because here we go to -2. In this order we are increasing, because we are in negatives here. So -1, you have 0, 1, and of course the next thing will be the number 2 here. Okay, so this should be the correct set that we're looking for: -3, -2. So that is the A. B is wrong because x is greater than -4. S is greater than -4. If we had it this way, x is greater than or equal to -4, then the B could be considered, because equal to, it will start from that. So these two are not options. The 3 stands to be an option because it begins with a -3, but the problem is here. The last one is x is less than or equal to. Because of the sign, the equal to sign, the 2 has to be included, but here it ends at the number 1, making this also not the correct answer. So we can't also have this as the correct answer. So the correct answer is A.